Oh, hold on.
Come talk to him, huh? Booty bada booty 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 boo.
Hello. Logan. Hello, Logan. Hello. Let's watch you sit in the camera. Hello, Tinky. Hello, Tinkies. Well, hello, Tink. Logan. Good morning to you too. Come there. Oh, I'm coming in for it. I'm coming in for it. Yeah, we're... Hello. Hi, YouTube. Go. Hello, handsome. What's this? Do you mind? Hello. Hello. What is that? What is that? Giddy giddy giddy. Giddy giddy. Giddy giddy giddy. Giddy giddy giddy. Giddy 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 giddy. Giddy giddy giddy. Oh, you don't like it. Oh, you don't like to be tickled. Are you so sleepy? Are you so sleepy? Oh, tell Daddy, turn the camera off, Daddy. See, turn it off, Daddy. Come here. Oh, sweet baby. Oh, come here. Oh, sweet baby. Sweet baby. Oh, I know. Oh, sweet thing. Come on. Oh, I know.
Aw, sweet Scooby.
Sweet Scooby. Oh, it's time for that morning nap. It's time for the morning nap. Hello, Connor, bud. Hey, Connor's booty.
That is a kite. Very good.
I have some tools. Just suck it in. Just suck it in. Are you this is my butt?
I got your butt on there, don't worry.
Great, get in, it's dark. The first year we went to Rhode Island with Connor, I had to go and buy in a new box I put like halfway through the week. Oh, I see it! I see your face! I see it! How many did you bring? I brought a whole pack. I ordered from diapers.com and I bought a whole pack of them. Mommy? What, honey? Wait. Mom, I have never pie. Amazing. What's the pack? Then there's a pack. It goes on the top. Oh, now to next. Wow, it's channel. Where's other one? A bear. I love this. Mop. I am mop. I hope at the never I'm done. Huh? We done. Done.
Hmm? Wow! Daddy? Where? No where.
Yeah, buddy.
Green.
Yay, good jumping. Good jumping. Jump, jump, jump.
No where.
Jump, jump, jump,
There's
jump, 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 jump.
Hey, Jumbo. Let me see.
You need to be gentle.
We're recording.
Mm.
Please.
Let go.
Oh.
No, that's an expensive toy. Thank you.
No.
Logan!
Uh-uh.
Hello, Logan.
Mommy.
Good jumps. Okay, we're going. Yay! Oh my God, I can't see it.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I got chocolate over my face.
You sure do.
Huh? Tell me. I
All right, Pluto, let's go.
Who's that?
Logan.
That's right. Do you love Logan?
No,
What?
I didn't put a bubble back.
You're gonna get him Pluto's bubble bath.
Daddy. Daddy. Where's your dad? Grab that,
Please.
please. It's right there.
Who's this?
Just that's your dress.
It's me in a dress?
Yep. Don't get red dress,
What's that?
Mommy.
And that?
Tommy.
That?
No, Kim.
And who's that over there?
Papa.
Papa.
This is Papa too. This is Papa. Too. There's Papa too. This is Papa too. One is down. One is up. Yeah.
Oh, no, you should be up here on this circle. You want to get to the castle. Ready, Lo? Go get ready.
Still here. Like this. I'm going.
You win! Winner!
I found it. Wait, one more color. Oh no! We found. Wait, two.
Ready?
Oh. Wait, two big ones. Come on.
Ready, Lo? Look at Loki.
Can I have pop? Wet. Wet.
Red. Yep, that means you go 2 red. So here, you pick that one, you go 1 red, 2 red. Thank you.
There, one more. Still wet. 4 wet. There, one more. Let's go.
Doop de doop doo.
You, Mom. We have 5 more hours. Yeah.
You want to see what else Mommy got you?
Come on, kick it. Let's go kick it, Dad. Please. I go.
Whoop.
Let's go kick it. Have fun, Daddy. You won. I did. You blow me. Come on. You kick. You kick me. You kick. Now you kick, Daddy. I think he with glass.
You're gonna go chase it?
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Come on. Ready?
Okay.
Ready? Go get it.
Daddy.
You see the ball?
Uh-huh.
It's right over there.
No. No, thank you.
No?
But you...
Oh, Peppa Doodles.
Dad, let me... Come on. Here's the doggy.
You are a good doggy. What a good doggy.
Grass for him. Grass for him.
Don't touch it, buddy. It's a tick. You gotta get him off. Don't touch it, Connor.
Dear dog. He'll feel better. He'll feel better.
You like my bag? Yeah. Hello.
Hi, Dinky.
Is it Papa's bag? Hi, Daddy. Stand up. Jumping, 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 jumping.
Hi. Hello. Oh, look how brown that hair is. Wow. You look like somebody we know. I don't know if I can exactly tell you who,
Yeah, right.
but you definitely look
Yeah.
like somebody.
Take me, Daddy.
Hey, hello. Happy baby. Hello. Hello. Hello, happy baby. Hello.
No. No.
Do you want some breakfast? What's that say? What does that say?
Logan.
Very good. Very good. Didn't know you
Can you
knew
show me?
What's it?
Wow. Good job, Connor.
That was Logan, Daddy.
that. Spelled Logan. Here's Stinker. Did you see? Look at Logan's tail is on the coffee table. We cut his tail off.
Uh-huh.
We cut it off. We should call it Aunt Kim, Uncle Pete, and ask them about their new car. They're very excited.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Aunt Kim is very excited. It's got everything.
Hello.
Why don't you put the starfish in the water? Go put the starfish in the water. I'll put the crab in the water.
Okay.
Okay.
Show Daddy the starfish. Very nice. Did you catch that, Connor?
Yeah.
Oh,
No,
nice
Bob.
job. And Bob did?
Yeah.
You put him in. Catch and release?
That wasn't the one, was it, Mark?
No.
The other one was bigger, I thought. Can't see it though.
One, two, look. One, two, look. Look. One, two, look. One, two, look. See, look. One, two, look. Hey, one bit. Robert.
Connor, you want to catch a crab?
Okay.
Come on over here, bud. Oh my God, what did Nate do?
Oh, yeah.
Hold on, bud.
Dead cow. You or I would have been dead cow reflexes, Mark. You be careful, little man.
Help me, Daddy. Help me, Daddy. Help you. Help me.
He's busy.
Help me. Right here. Wow.
Go ahead, Ma. Say what Nate said to everybody last night. Go ahead. Tell him. You can record it. Here, Mark. Bring it on me.
Alright, you do it.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Last night, Angelo, Nick, and Nate. Angelo is 11. Nick is 9. That's a little close, Mark. And Nate is 6.
No, it's
Well, he's almost 7. Right? They asked if they could go to the corner store, right? And somebody said he can't go alone. And Nate said, but put together, we're 28 years old. So that's what they said. And last night we saw a shark. Have a nice night.
and then Nick.
Don't.
And then Nick in his whoops, syrup. Nick going to the store to get ice cream, and he gave the lady a tip, a quarter tip.
Oh, cool.
Logan was the shark.
Here's the toys
Was there
Connor
a shark in the
threw
ocean
outside
Was he? Connor?
because he did not want Nevin to play with them.
His little feet.
I'm starting to think maybe that was a thrasher shark.